Oh, brother, they are so fast. It was like a half a dozen wild turkeys. And by the time I turned around and grabbed my camera, they were in those plants up there. What are you doing in there? Huh? What are you doing in there? How are you going to get out? Oh, you got a baby. What do you guys think you want to eat? Some of my vegetables? I'm thinking that I might not want you to do that. Of course, I can't even get into my own garden. Now she's looking for a place to jump back over the fence. And what about the baby? I know I just saw a baby. Good grief, Kaye. I can't even get out of my own garden, okay, I gotta go underneath. Oh. I just want you to understand that this is not copacetic. Where's the baby? I just saw a baby. Where's your partner? Huh? You better start flapping those wings and get back over. You know, I didn't even think about you. You got a couple of wings. Just start flying. Where's the baby? Where'd your baby go? Come on now. There you go. Yeah. But where's the baby? Let's see. Yeah. It got out before you did. I don't know how that happened. Well, that was interesting. It is about, let's see, it's getting on 6 o'clock in the morning. And I'm having my first cacao. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. Let's see if we can get out of here. Oh, it's too early to bend over. This is where early morning stretching would come in handy. It's terrible being tired before you even get the workday started. My dusk to dawn lights are not even off yet. All right, let's get back over to my spot. That was interesting because I saw something go over the fence and it never occurred to me that the wild turkeys would be feasting in my garden. Yes. Okay, it's invasion of the wild turkeys. 2 inside the fence, and there are 2 adults and what, 10 juveniles? Huh. Just make yourselves at home. sure what you're doing there, but I don't think we can walk down there because they turn around and disappear so fast you can't even believe it. They will be in that forest over there. If I start walking down there, they'll be in that forest in like 10 seconds. And they won't fly, they'll walk. There they go. Oh. Okay. Okay, I kind of missed. Yeah, there's the leader heading up there. And then I think I counted 17. There's another adult. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 children and another adult. There's actually 3 adults. That's kind of an odd, or maybe I missed one. Those are wild turkeys, folks. Just strolling through my backyard. And they're plucking on my squash over there. Hey, turkeys. Hey, turkeys. See you later. watching me. Definitely watching me. Let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my goodness, we got a deer there. Let's get that light off so we can see better. They're eating my squash over here. And there's the deer. Deer and the turkeys. Having a field day. See, they're eating my squash down there. That's okay. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And a baby deer right there. Turkeys and the deer get along just fine, I guess. Oh, wish I had a better camera. "16 turkeys and 2 deer in the backyard. You know you're living in the country, right?" Just got the grass mowed yesterday, so maybe they're better able to, I don't know, see stuff. Oh, there's another deer over there, way over there. It's looking over this way for the deer. Mom and baby. I guess that's a mom. Not very big. Looks more like a teenager. Come on. That one turkey's bringing up the rear, making sure everybody's protected there. Make sure they have their whole group in tow. And my sad little yellowing garden. Look, they've all grown up. That's the big one in the back with the white head. I left a bunch of corn from the that I had in the refrigerator for weeks. Just forgot about it. And I left it over in the forest in case they wanted to peck at it. Oh my God. Look what I almost ran into. That is totally disguised. From my vantage point, that spider is in front of the tree. But the camera's lower, so you can see it better. Anyway, there they are, way down there. I'd love to walk down there, but they will disappear so fast. You'll think it's magic. Okay, how many we got now? Let's see, we got the leaders in the front with the white head. Maybe 2 of those. 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. There were 14 at the beginning. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you see one of the adults is in the front, one of the adults is in the back, and all the children are in between. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or 13. 14. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What was that? Something crashed in my forest. I'm glad that I have food for them. Oh, look, they're going up the, they're going on the wood chip pile. Oh, I wish I could be closer. I've got to find my other camera.